In the East China Sea, where the water meets the sky, lies the Nanji Islands Biosphere Reserve, China's first island biosphere reserve. Its main island resembles a running muntjac, the origin of the name Nanji. As a model of ecological protection in the East China Sea, it is also among China's first national marine nature reserves, a candidate for national park status, and a site of internationally important wetlands. Its main conservation targets include marine shellfish and algae, seabirds, wild daffodils, and their ecological environment. Located at the confluence of the Taiwan Warm Current and the Jiangsu-Zhejiang Coastal Current, the reserve features complex water systems and well-developed fronts. Its clear waters and diverse shorelines provide ideal habitats for marine life to thrive and reproduce, nurturing uniquely rich biodiversity. Home to nearly 3,000 recorded species, including over 2,100 marine species, shellfish and algae account for about 20% of China's total and 80% of Zhejiang province's. 7 new species of large and small algae were first discovered here, including 2 tiny diatoms named after Nanji, Nanji lateral chain alga and Nanji hoof-shaped alga. The Nanji Islands are known as the Kingdom of Shellfish and Algae. From attracting the rare Chinese crested tern to study marine life with advanced tools with underwater robots, every effort helps protect this unique marine world. Eco-friendly farming of the large yellow croaker supports local livelihoods while reducing pressure on wild populations. The Nanji Islands are a living example of harmony between humans and the sea.